Hi, and welcome back to the Pamper Your Kitty podcast. It is your queen host, Tasha Dene. I am here to talk to you about the fascinating history of Yoni steaming, wound wellness. Where did this fascinating, amazing, traditional treatment come from? Well, let's talk about it. This is a treatment that has been used over hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of years ago through lots of our ancestors. This was a treatment that they used to promote soothing, nourishing, and healing to the reproductive system for women after childbearing. And this was the way that they had, and the only way that they had to provide the most healthiest way to heal the wound after having such an amazing body transformation, bundle of joy for a lifetime. And this holistic approach came from cultures such as South Africa. Africa, y'all, yes, our ancestors practiced and used this treatment from the beginning of childbirth. Asia is another place. Indonesia is another place. So this is nothing that just came from the US of A, okay? Like it just came here today. No, okay? We're gonna play this like E.T. phone home, okay? That's just how long ago this treatment has been around. It has did wonderful treatments for our ancestors that was just entering motherhood. They also received these amazing treatments for after having the baby, for healing the uterus, the ovaries, the endometrium, the whole thing, the cervix, the reproductive system. That's what we're here to talk about. And so this is something that has definitely come back because, as we know, we are all embracing this holistic approach to our health and our wealth these days, and it makes me so happy to do so because I think it's time to go back to the dirt of it, okay? And like I say, it's time to get our hands dirty, you know what I'm saying, like our ancestor did, okay? They got their hands dirty by going out there and getting all natural herbs from the earth that has been specifically put on here for us in our wellness, okay? So that is the fascinating history of wound wellness and where Yoni steaming has come from. So let's talk about it in today's tradition. Yoni steaming has not just come around just of lately. There was an actress that had came on TV and was telling us about her first experience with Yoni steaming. Yes, Yoni steaming, and it was called Yoni steaming. And they also call it vaginal steaming. So you might hear it as being vaginal steaming as well. But they're all the same. They go hand in hand, okay? Both of them mean get your wound detoxed, cleansed, fresh, nourished, soothed, and healed, okay? That's what it means, okay? And a good Yoni is the best Yoni, okay? So, I forgot her name. If someone remembers her name, please leave it in the comments down below. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can get my next video on again, Pampering Your Kitty. Another video, if you go to Dish Nation, Eva did a video on it as well. Yes, on about Yoni steaming, okay? She did the whole thing about telling y'all how to ditch that grandmama bag, okay? And if y'all don't know what the grandmama bag is, it's that douche, okay? baby. We are in 2023 and ain't nobody dishing. No, ain't nobody dishing no more, okay? Nope, 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 nope. That is time that you leave them bottles on the shelves where they at and use you an alternative holistic approach to clean that poom poom out, okay? That's what you got to do. So she was talking about it and all the amazing benefits of it as well. So this is what our ancestors did in these cultures to cleanse the poom poom. Yes, to cleanse the poom poom. And it has so many other amazing benefits that I will be talking about on my podcast. I'm not going to give it all away at once. I'm just going to give a little bit at a time so we can have something to talk about and open up the conversation of no more hush hush when it comes down to taking care of your poom poom, okay? And letting your significant other know how to take care of your poom poom, how you take care of your poom poom, how he can take care of your poom poom, okay? And not be ashamed to talk about it. Not be ashamed. Y'all know your girl got to look at her cue cards because you know what? I'll get off track. So you know what I'm saying? In order to get me back there, I got to, depend on my little handy dandy cue cards to make sure that your girl stay, you know what I'm saying, in the race. Okay? So, yes, and this was the significance of Yoni steaming for our cultures in Indonesia, South Africa, Asia, for our ancestors when it came to cleansing the reproductive system, when it came to also promoting the best health and wellness to our pelvic health care challenges as well. Our wound wellness is our overall wellness. So again, it is time to start saying, you know what? I got this issue. How can I resolve it? How can I nourish it? How can I soothe it? And I'm not going to deal with it by myself. Okay. So I am here as your queen certified facilitator to hold your hand on that journey, to ask any questions that you may have. I'm going to get a number where you can call in and ask them questions privately. You also can go in my comment and also put your questions there. You also can go over to my Instagram, Queen's Den Yoni, and also leave in my DM your private question on what you may want to know on this fascinating culture of Yoni steaming, this treatment, this tradition, to see if it's something you would like to put in your wound wellness journey. So until next time, it is your certified Yoni steam facilitator, Queen Tasha Danae. I am out until next time. Bye-bye.